writing Roman number from 1 to 100 in very easiest way. For that, type 1, then type 2, okay. Then in here first give equal to signs, then write Roman, then bracket, then put this value, okay. C5 where 1 is present, then put comma and write 4, then equal to, okay. Then press enter key, okay. You found I. Then do one thing here, want to select, then click on fill, then handle is there, hold the handles and drag it how much number you want, okay. Suppose I want okay up to this much, 4 number want. Then you see Roman number, okay. 1 and 2 is not present here, for that I am fill and then simply dragging it, okay. Now you see that 1 I, 2 II, 3 III, 4 IB, 5 V, 6 VI, 7 VII, 8 VII, 9 IX, 10 X, 11 XI. Like this you can see all the numbers 91, 90 XC, 91 XCI, 100 C, 101 CI. So you can see all the Roman number like 190 CXC, look 200 CC, 201 CCI. Like this we can write any number, okay.